Another way to stay organized in SketchUp is to use outliner as well as the entity information. So on the default tray I have this outliner as entity information, and this entity information where I can use multiple things. When I open outliner, you can see there is a quite a big list, I could say, of the groups that we have in this particular model. So when I select this boxwood, you can see this particular plant is a boxwood, and when I go into the entity information, though there is no instance name, but the definition was already provided. So if I write the name is plant 1 and enter it, you will see how it will change its name, plant 1 boxwood. So we can provide the name to each group, and we can see it from here directly, and we can select everything related to that particular name from outliner. Like I want to select cypress, and I don't want to select one by one, I want to select directly. We have number of cypress here, and I will just shift and I click it. I have selected the cypress in a one single click. So you can see it's really easy to select and stay organized here. And I want to create a name of this particular cypress. What I will make, I will give a name plant type 2. Okay, and when I enter it, okay, now it has changed its name to plant type, or you can see I have changed it here like this. So it's really easy to select here, and to create what I can say, to show things in more of a organized manner, as well as when I have clicked this particular boxwood, let's say, and we have number of options here. First, to write the name of this instance, though the definition is already provided, and under that we have hide, lock, and don't receive shadow and cast shadow, which we will be discussing later about these two options. But under toggle and lock, this shows like it is visible right now at the moment. When I switch it off, you can see this particular layer is now hidden, this particular group is now hidden, and under the outliner you can see it is, the name is now more grayed, that that this is the layer which is inactive at the moment. So what I will do, I will click it here, I will unhide it, and now you can see it has been unhided. And also I want to lock here. So when I click lock, the box turns to red, and if I want to move it, I cannot move this particular group. You can see what is written here, and it is written nothing selected until the save multiple move item. Okay, so because we can't move it here, it is showing us error here. So because it is locked, this is why we can't move. So we will unlock it, and if we want to move it, we will move according to our need. So this is how it is. So we can use outliner to see the things that we have in our model and make it more organized. You can see I have selected lumen point light 1, so this is selected. So we can select and give the attributes to particular thing, and even that we have group here. So under the group, you can see there is hierarchy in this group. So when I click this group, this is the particular group, but under that group there we have two groups. One group is that of glass layer, another group is of this handle layer. So you can see we have group under group, and this is how we can see in the outliner. So once we are more into detailing in this model, we don't have so much subgrouping, but once we are more into detailing, we can see more hierarchy while modeling. So outliner will help you to look upon your model in very listed way, and you will be more aware about your project, and you can easily select everything here easily. So get comfortable with these things that I have told you under this chapter, and once you get more organized, you will find it really simple to use and model this things in SketchUp. So revise these things that I have told you, and in the next chapter I will be talking about the components and its how to use it and how to make it, which will help you to stay more organized, and you will be learning it more faster, doing the 3D modeling more faster. So that's it for this video. Thank you.